international workers, social security is often a complex journey. Different countries, different regulations, technical compliance, and limited awareness of social security provisions. Sometimes, a small issue becomes a long unresolved struggle. And when awareness is limited, even genuine grievances remain unresolved. Recognizing these challenges, to take solutions directly to stakeholders, EPFO Delhi North decided, if people cannot easily reach solutions, then solutions must reach the people. Guided by the belief that stakeholders are the true VVIPs, Samadhan at the Doorstep was personally led by the Regional Commissioner, EPFO Delhi North. The initiative brought administration directly face-to-face with employees. Not through files, but through conversations. The initiative began much before the actual camp. EPFO Delhi North undertook a detailed pre-camp exercise. Institutional issues were identified. International worker cases were analyzed. Technical grievances were reviewed. And maximum possible cases were resolved proactively in advance. The core issue was linking of Aadhaar with UAN. Aadhaar issued to these foreign nationals stipulated year of birth only, whereas system required 8 digits. To resolve this crucial issue involved policy decision from head office and system changes from NDC. Delhi North actively coordinated with head office and NDC to get the required modifications incorporated in record time, paving the way for resolution of grievances. Samadhan at Doorstep was not limited to grievance identification alone. It focused on meaningful resolution. Critical issues affecting international workers were examined with urgency and sensitivity. Advanced claim failures arising from Aadhaar-related technical issues were facilitated through immediate intervention. Joint declaration-related errors were escalated and actively coordinated with the National Data Center and CDAC to ensure faster resolution. And Aadhaar UAN linking issues delaying final settlement cases were addressed through dedicated technical support and real-time facilitation. On the day of the outreach program at American Embassy School, EPFO services reached the stakeholders directly. Dedicated officers and facilitation help desks were deployed. One-to-one interaction ensured personalized grievance handling. And cases were examined and resolved on the spot. Problems were heard immediately, cases were reviewed carefully, and resolutions began in real time. Samadhan Outdoor was not merely a grievance camp. It became an exercise in trust building. Employees appreciated that officers personally visited, listened patiently, and remained committed to resolution. The initiative strengthened confidence in accessible, responsive, and citizen-centric governance. The impact of Samadhan at Doorstep was reflected not only in the resolutions delivered, but also in the trust it inspired. Appreciating the initiative of EPFO, the director of the American Embassy School expressed his warmth for the personal involvement, compassionate leadership, and commitment towards stakeholder services.
I've never met a person in the Indian government who is as kind, who has been willing to come and to help and to listen to us and help us solve these problems. And so we're very grateful. We're very grateful to you for all your work. Thank you very much. Yes.
Members and employees expressed their happiness and satisfaction with the initiative, for bringing EPFO services directly to them, for resolving long-pending grievances, and for making complex international worker provisions easier to understand. Every interaction reflected empathy, responsibility, and commitment towards stakeholder service.
We'd like to take a moment just to thank Mr. Tiwari, Commissioner of the North Delhi EPFO office, and his entire team for their professionalism, the care that they showed us and the time they gave to us to fully understand the technical issue that we were facing. Yeah, we're very, very pleased with the result.
Hi, एक तो थैंक यू आप इधर आए और फिजिकल मुलाकात हुई, उससे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि हम किसी बंदे से बात कर रहे हैं. Yes, it was very difficult for you. I understand कि बहुत सारे लोग थे इधर-उधर भागो, but in the end, I think you have understood my issue and hopefully it will be resolved. Thank you so much.
My name is Daniela Donoso, and I'm a teacher at the American Embassy School. So I applied to get some money from the Provident Fund for an emergency for my daughter's studies. And at the beginning, I was facing some challenges. However, I was invited to visit your office, and it was in every single floor. I was attended by very experienced personnel, and then finally, I was even able to have an interview with the commissioner, where we could explain the challenges we were facing. In every single department, we were greeted nicely. We were offered help, an explanation, and they did a thorough follow-up. After a few weeks, the problem was solved, and I really want to thank the office for all the help or the support, and yes, just to thank you.
Yeah, the whole process was handled professionally and very well. We are heard, and the actions that were taken also very quickly in a timely manner. So we are very grateful. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Dhanyawad.
You were very kind with your time, and your team was very professional. And even though we had some technical issues, I think the work between our school, Ivan and Monica, and your team, we've kind of come to some sort of resolution. So we're very, very thankful. And we know how far it is to get to your office. So thank you.
It was actually our duty, and we are happy that finally we